Hey parents, are you constantly hearing about Chat GPT but feel like you don't have time to figure it out? I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. No tech degree required. Just practical help for real parent problems. I'm Charles Wood, and as a parent of three, I know your time is precious. Today we're covering three things: getting Chat GPT set up in under 2 minutes, five starter prompts that will actually help you in your daily life, and some bonus tips that will get you better results. First, the setup. And yes, it's free to start.
Okay, so the way we're going to start, we're going to open up a browser. It doesn't matter which browser you use; they should all work. We're going to type in chat.openai.com. And if I go too fast for any of this, you can always stop the video and go back and watch it again. All right, I'm going to go down here to sign up for free, and you can either sign up with your Google account, your Apple account, Microsoft account. Looks like you can use a phone number. I'm going to type in an email address. It is a Google email address, but for this demo, I'm just going to type it in and put your password in. I'm not going to save this. It's going to send me a verification code to my email. Type in a verification code. It's going to ask me for my name and my birth date, and then continue. It's going to ask you what do you want to use it for. You can pick any of these if you want to. I'm just going to click other for now or skip. You can just skip it. And that's it. Really, we're ready to start now. This is the free version, and it's fine for what we're doing. It's fine for most people, I think, personally. But there are some features you can't use in the free version. But for most prompts, it's okay. Let's test out some prompts for you. Okay, the first one here, I'm going to copy and paste these in so that you don't have to wait for me to type them in and make mistakes. But I'll leave it up here on the screen for a little bit so that maybe you can type it in. So this first one is create a 7-day dinner plan for a family of X, however many we're going to put 4. That takes 30 minutes or less to prepare each night and include a grocery list. And then we'll click our arrow. Doesn't take it long to think and put this together. You'll see down here that you'll see the arrow here. That means there's more below. Okay, explain. Let's do math. That's an easy division to a, let's say, what's a good grade? How about a fifth grade? Fifth grade student in simple terms, and then give me 3 practice questions. Also, keep in mind that if you don't like the answer that it gives, you can also ask for more. You can say, can you make it simpler? That's too difficult if you don't like the answer that it gives you. Okay, again, we're going to skip this question for right now, this follow-up question, and we're going to put prompt number 3 in. Prompt number 3, help me plan a blank year old's birthday party. Let's choose an 8-year-old's birthday party. An 8-year-old, let's do this. An 8-year-old boy's birthday party at home for 10 kids. I have no idea what birthday party budgets are now. I haven't done one of those in a while. Let's say $100. I'm just throwing that out there. Help me plan an 8-year-old boy's birthday party at home for 10 kids. Budget is $100. Include activities, food ideas, and a timeline. So we got a theme. Again, if you don't like this, maybe you don't like the backyard adventure theme, you could tell it to choose another theme. Choose another theme and regenerate the plan. A superhero theme. So that's just an idea. If you don't like what it gives you the first time, you can ask for it to redo it. Our fourth prompt: help me write a polite email to my child's teacher about, let's say, what about missing homework? Missing homework. Keep it brief and professional. I want to tell her that my son will submit the missing tomorrow. And what it spits back here is just a draft that you can use. You can copy and paste it into an email and then insert your child's name, teacher's name, etc. Okay, and for our fifth prompt, write a 5-minute bedtime story about your child's interest. How about, let's say, elephants? Write a 5-minute bedtime story about elephants for an 8-year-old boy with a positive message about treating other people nicely. Let's try that. Get a nice story about an elephant. Again, if this turned out to be something that you didn't like, you could always tell it to regenerate the story. Maybe you want to change it and make it about a puppy or instead of an elephant or something like that. Notice in this last one, originally I had put in there, I had not put the child's age in there, but it's very helpful to add details like the child's age, whether it's a boy or a girl, etc. The more detail you give these AI models, the better their answers will be.
And there you have it. If this saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips that actually work. Drop a comment with what you'd like to use ChatGPT for, and I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your digital assistant.